Hey everyone, it's Dr. Michelle over at Lifetime Health and Wellness, and we're doing It Takes a Village, and I've got a couple people here.
Dr. Carrie. I'm Nicki Worden. I'm a birth doula and prenatal massage therapist.
Yes, we're just really excited to have you on because we really want moms out there and moms to be to know a little bit about what their options are because they may not know. So we would love for you to just share a little bit about yourself, what you do for moms.
Yeah, so I've been a birth doula for over 7 years. I'm also a massage therapist specializing in prenatal and postpartum massage, and I'm also a mother of 5 myself. So as a birth doula, I think the one thing we know is you can prepare for the birth that you want and then know that it's not going to go as planned. So it's really nice to have that additional support, that continuous support to help you kind of inform you along your pregnancy and then support you on the big day as well.
What would you say are maybe some of the common questions that you get from moms, or what are some common things?
Yeah, I think one thing, especially when it comes to being a doula, a lot of people think that's for somebody who only wants to have an unmedicated birth. They don't realize that a doula support can be such an essential tool no matter what type of birth you plan on having, even if that's a planned cesarean. So whether you're choosing to do a water birth or a home birth or get an epidural, a doula support can be really helpful throughout the whole process.
Is there any certain time period that moms to be should get in contact with you? Like sooner the better? Do you take until like late in the pregnancy?
Yeah, I feel like you can really utilize the support of a doula and all the resources that we have. So the earlier the better, because you just you get to enjoy more of our services. So yeah, I mean, I have some people hire me when they're 6 weeks pregnant, and then some people who wait to the last minute and then they get nervous and they realize they need that additional support, and they're contacting us at me at 38 weeks, and that's when they're hiring. So as long as you're still pregnant, it's not too late. You can still have the support you need. But yeah, I definitely think they're better.
And that's a good point, that just as long as you're pregnant, you can still have the help and support of a doula, because, as if many of you don't know, doulas are in the know when it comes to, especially if it's going to be a hospital birth, just with the staff and the nurses and the doctors, and they kind of know how that all works. They're advocating for you. So you can focus on the most important thing, which is laboring and birthing your baby. I do know that, so for women, let's say if they're on bed rest and they can't, let's say, get their prenatal chiropractic adjustment, we understand that you travel.
Yeah, so I have a special pregnancy massage table. It's custom built for, the safety of a pregnant woman so that you can lay on your stomach safely. And so the nice thing is I travel to people's homes to provide that service, both prenatally and postpartum. So it's helpful if you can't leave during pregnancy, but it's also helpful during that postpartum period when you have a newborn and you may not want to be leaving the house right after as well.
For sure. Is there a time period, like any contraindications to massage, like during any stages of pregnancy or right after? Or is there anything that you do?
No, there's no, just with general pregnancy, there's no specific contraindication. So you can enjoy pregnancy throughout your whole, or you can enjoy massage throughout your whole pregnancy.
So you can enjoy pregnancy.
You can enjoy your pregnancy too, and throughout your whole postpartum period as well.
That is great. Yeah, we got it all, I think, got it all in there. So any of you who are maybe on the fence, at the very least, talk to a doula, just, have a conversation, because you just never know. Sometimes you're banking on your partner being like the rock. They're going through it just like you are. So it helps to have a seasoned person who is in the know and is skilled, like Nicki is. And we just encourage everyone, no matter what type of birth you're planning. So thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you.